The PM Kusum scheme offers immense potential for India's agricultural sector, transforming barren land into power-generating assets and empowering farmers, but unlocking its true value from efficient solar plant operations to maximizing electricity sales revenue demands a robust, intelligent technology backbone. The challenge in managing distributed solar assets under PM Kusum, it's a Component A plant, is twofold. First, ensuring optimal solar generation and uptime in often remote environments. Second, navigating complex regulatory compliance and data reporting mandates without significant manual overhead, which can directly impact your revenue from DISCOMs. Enercog addresses these challenges with a full-stack intelligence platform, starting at the edge with our proprietary Enercog Synapse. The Synapse acts as an intelligent remote terminal unit or IRTU. It directly interfaces with various solar plant components, PV inverters, string monitoring boxes, energy meters, and weather sensors. It continuously acquires high-fidelity data, voltage, current, power, energy at string and inverter levels. This raw data undergoes edge processing, where proprietary algorithms perform real-time analytics for anomaly detection. For instance, it can detect PV string mismatch, inverter underperformance, or localized shading impacts locally even before transmission to the cloud. Data is then securely transmitted to the Enercog Cortex cloud platform. This ensures resilience, providing critical insights even with intermittent connectivity. In the cloud, Enercog Cortex, our central AI engine, leverages advanced machine learning models, including deep neural networks and time series analysis. Predictive maintenance. Cortex analyzes historical and real-time data to predict equipment failure probabilities. This shifts maintenance from reactive to predictive and prescriptive, dramatically reducing downtime and O&M costs, directly safeguarding income from power sales to DISCOMs under the Component A. High-accuracy generation forecasting, crucial for DISCOM scheduling and maximizing revenue. Our models integrate weather data, panel degradation, and historical performance to provide precise predictions for your solar plant's output. For Component A, decentralized solar plants, Cortex ensures your plant is always running at peak efficiency, maximizing the power you sell to DISCOMs for 25 years. Crucially, Enercog ensures regulatory compliance. Our platform automatically aggregates and formats operational data as per MNRE and SLDC specifications. This streamlines mandatory reporting, verifying energy generation and offtake, which is vital for subsidy disbursement and PPA adherence for the Component A projects. Unlike generic monitoring solutions, Enercog provides a holistic, vendor-agnostic intelligence layer from edge to cloud. We don't just show you data, we turn it into actionable insights that prevent losses, increase uptime, and maximize the long-term profitability of your PM Kusum solar assets. Partner with Enercog to truly unlock the potential of solar in Indian agriculture.